Number 1.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500, equipped with a 5.2L V8 engine and automatic transmission, paired with a reliable two-wheel drive system. It has traveled 171,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior with a gray interior, offering a classic and timeless look. This vehicle is described as running and driving excellently, with a strong engine performance and smooth transmission. It comes with cold air conditioning, as well as power windows and door locks for added convenience. A brand new set of Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP tires has recently been installed, with 0 miles on them, representing a significant upgrade valued at $1,100. Cosmetically, the truck does have some minor imperfections, including a sagging headliner and several clear coat issues on the exterior. However, it is notably free from rust and has no body damage, making it a solid and dependable option overall.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,100, presented in very good condition, showing no signs of structural rust and only minor surface rust consistent with its age. It has been driven approximately 201,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. This truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, which remains largely original aside from an upgraded bench seat sourced from a 1995 to 1998 model. The interior is well kept and retains a classic look while incorporating modern convenience through a single DIN wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system. Additional highlights include a fully functional cruise control system, a newly installed wiper control module, and updated driver-side door pins for improved usability. The truck bed is equipped with a durable sprayed-in bed liner and comes with a tonneau cover, adding both protection and practicality.
Number 3.
1992 Dodge Dakota, price $8,100, equipped with a 3.9L Magnum V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 73,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives exceptionally well. This truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. It has been carefully maintained over time, with recent updates including brand new shocks, new brakes, a new battery, and a fresh oil change. The air conditioning system has also been recently serviced, ensuring comfortable driving. Additionally, the truck sits on a lowered 2-inch stance, giving it a more aggressive look, and it produces a strong, appealing sound thanks to its custom exhaust system. It starts reliably and delivers solid performance on the road. The vehicle comes with a clean Carfax report, with no recorded accidents or title issues.
Number 4.
1994 Ford F250, price $5,995. With approximately 85,000 miles on the odometer, this truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 351 V8 engine running on gasoline. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, the vehicle maintains a classic and clean appearance. It runs and drives well, with the engine performing reliably. The air conditioning system functions properly, providing comfortable driving even in warmer conditions. Additionally, it is fitted with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, making it suitable for both on-road and light off-road use. Overall, this F-150 offers a solid combination of performance, practicality, and classic styling, making it a dependable choice for everyday use or as a vintage pickup project.
Number 5.
1977 Ford F250, price $8,900, solid classic truck that runs and drives well, though it is not in perfect condition and will need a bit of work to become a reliable daily driver. It has traveled approximately 107,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a powerful 460 V8 engine and C6 transmission. The truck features a long bed and a 2WD drivetrain, making it a practical choice for light-duty hauling or cruising. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck maintains a cohesive vintage look. It runs on gasoline and has newer tires installed, while all lights are functioning properly and the glass is in good condition. Additionally, it has been upgraded with a new stereo system, including an amplifier and speakers, adding a modern touch to this classic vehicle.
Number 6.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, well-kept classic pickup with 131,000 miles, finished in tan inside and out. It features a 305 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual column-shift transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes with a clean title under the current owner's name. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including a full brake system refresh, new axle seals, water pump, radiator, belts, hoses, clutch, drivetrain components, starter, alternator, battery, and ignition parts. The interior has been updated with a recovered seat, new vinyl flooring, refreshed dash components, and various trim replacements, giving it a clean, restored feel. Additional upgrades include new tires, mirrors, and lighting. All gauges are functional, and the dash features LED lighting. Overall, it's a solid, reliable classic with tasteful updates.
Number 7.
1997 GMC Sonoma, price $3,850. This particular truck is equipped with a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It has covered 177,000 original miles and runs, shifts, and drives exceptionally well, delivering a very smooth driving experience. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the exhaust system operates quietly, and the tires are in decent condition. Structurally, the truck is nearly rust-free, with a solid and well-preserved frame, and the underside remains in excellent shape. The body and paint are in impressive condition for its age, and all doors open and close properly.
Minor imperfections include a dented tailgate and a small rust hole in the lower corner of the cab, but these do not detract from the truck's overall reliability and usability. Number 8.
1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900, features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior and runs on gasoline. It retains its original paint and comes with a clean California pink slip, adding to its authenticity. Powered by a 4.1L inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the truck runs and drives but has not been used as a daily driver. It has a 3/5 drop suspension setup without a C-notch while keeping the original bump stops, and sits on 15x8 rally wheels with staggered tires. The interior has been refreshed with new parts, including a Hurst floor shifter, dash pad, door panels, door sill plates, and front and rear light lenses, making it a clean and well-maintained classic pickup.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,850, dependable full-size pickup truck equipped with a strong V8 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering consistent performance for everyday driving as well as light-duty hauling. With 212,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has proven its long-term reliability and continues to run very well, reflecting proper upkeep over the years. It features a classic white exterior paired with a tan interior, offering a simple yet timeless look that suits its rugged character.
Powered by gasoline, it remains easy to maintain and practical for regular use.
The vehicle also comes with a clear title in hand, ensuring a smooth and straightforward ownership transfer.
Number 10.
1989 Ford F250, price $6,500, classic heavy-duty pickup with 132,000 original miles, powered by a fuel-injected 460 gasoline engine paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, maintaining its original character. The truck is equipped with dual gas tanks, only the tank behind the cab has been used, and a factory heavy-duty 10.25 Sterling rear differential.
It remains solid underneath, though there are some rust spots on the body, including the driver's side fender and areas around the bed.
The interior is in very good condition with minor wear on the driver's seat, and the truck sits on new 265/75 or 16 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires.